According to the president of Russia's Roscosmos space agency, Moscow would be able to eliminate NATO members in 30 minutes in a nuclear war. Dmitry Rogozin, however, also cautioned against using nuclear weapons. Quote, "In a nuclear war, NATO countries will be destroyed by us in half an hour," Rogozin said in a post on his Telegram channel on Sunday, the 8th of May. He went further to say, quote, "But we must not allow it because the consequences of the exchange of nuclear strikes will affect the state of our Earth. Therefore, we will have to defeat this economically and militarily more powerful enemy by conventional military means." End quote. Such a victory is possible only with the full solidarity of the whole country with the army, the mobilization of the state economy, Rogozin said, noting that the industry should be designed to serve military goals immediately. In a separate statement, Mr. Rogozin targeted tech billionaire Elon Musk, saying he was, quote, "involved in supplying the fascist forces in Ukraine with military communication equipment," end quote, and that he would also be held accountable as an adult. Just hours before Mr. Rogozin's remarks, Mr. Musk had sent a cryptic tweet about, quote, "dying in mysterious circumstances," end quote.